Selling SMS marketing campaigns through Vendasta is an excellent way to leverage an all in one platform that helps you manage everything from campaign creation to reporting, all while using a powerful tool to reach your target audience through text messaging. But how exactly can you get started selling these campaigns? Stick around, because I'm going to break it down quickly for you, step by step. First things first, Vendasta's platform is a great solution for businesses looking to scale their marketing efforts, especially when it comes to SMS campaigns. This software allows you to set up SMS marketing services without needing a ton of technical expertise. It's user-friendly, efficient, and flexible for a range of different businesses, making it a great tool to sell as a service. What's even better? You can try out Vendasta completely free through the first link below, and there's also an exclusive bonus for those looking to dive in. Now, let's jump into the first thing you need to know. Vendasta makes it easy to create and manage SMS campaigns. Using their software, you can design campaigns that send bulk text to customers, whether you're promoting offers, sending reminders, or sharing important updates. This service is incredibly versatile, and it's one that businesses of all sizes can benefit from. Next thing, Vendasta's platform also integrates with other marketing tools, giving you the ability to manage multiple campaigns from one place. With Vendasta, you can track the performance of your SMS campaigns, look at analytics in real time, and see how well your messages are performing, important data that helps you optimize future campaigns. The third thing you need to know is Vendasta's white label option. This means you can sell SMS marketing campaigns under your own brand without anyone knowing you're using Vendasta's platform. You're essentially offering a complete service to your clients while keeping your branding front and center. This can be a huge selling point, as many businesses love the idea of using professional services without needing to develop the technology themselves. The fourth thing is how easy Vendasta makes it to set up automation within SMS campaigns. Automation is key to selling these services because it allows businesses to send messages at optimal times without lifting a finger. Whether it's a promotional offer or a customer feedback request, you can set it up to run automatically, saving time and boosting efficiency for your clients. Finally, the last thing that makes selling SMS marketing through Vendasta a win is the ongoing support and resources. Vendasta provides a ton of training materials, webinars, and support, so you're never left in the dark. This makes it easy to get started and keep improving as you offer SMS marketing to more and more clients. To wrap up, selling SMS marketing campaigns through Vendasta isn't just about offering a service, it's about providing an all-in-one solution that helps businesses grow. And remember, you can try out Vendasta completely free by clicking the link below, plus enjoy our exclusive bonus to get you started faster. Make sure to take advantage of that extended trial so you can dive in and explore all the powerful features Vendasta has to offer.